Hi friends, let me show you this VEVOR toilet safety rail that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really useful for people who is old, or if for any physical reason have a challenge to go to the restroom. Okay, this will help you to be able to sit and raise more comfortably. Okay, let's put it together. As you can see, it's ready to use. You can change the width of it to fit your restroom, and of course you can adjust the height of it so it's comfortable for you to use. Okay, perfect. Let's try it. So as you can see, we have it all assembled and we adjust it to this restroom size. You see, you can put it really easily. You want to press it a little bit so these suction cups will get to the floor. And when you need to use the restroom, you can help yourself with this to sit and to raise. So it is really useful if for any physical reason you have, it's difficult for you to sit or stand. This accessory will help you, and you can take it with you to another restroom or anywhere that you want to go. It won't interfere with the restroom's operation. Okay? So I think if you have the need for a help to sit on a chair on the restroom, this is a great accessory. Thank you.